A very good morning to everyone gathered here, and welcome to the Healthcare Leadership Summit 2020. A warm welcome to everyone. More things are wrought by prayer than the world dreams of. We commence today's program with the invocation song. The soul should always stand ajar, ready to welcome the ecstatic experience. Dr. Sagam Jisriya, our Vice Principal and the organizing chairman of Healthcare Leadership Summit 2020, will now extend a hearty welcome.
Thank you, Rohini. It's my great pleasure in extending the welcome address for this summit. Honorable Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Dean of Faculties, eminent speakers and audience of this Healthcare Leadership Summit 2020. Dear audience, this summit is a consequence of the ongoing pandemic. None of us would forget the fact that the COVID-19 pandemic is a powerful reminder that we live in a highly complex and unpredictable world. For healthcare delivery organizations in particular, and the nations at large, the effective responses to the pandemic have required departures from many conventional practices. The COVID-19 pandemic has presented an array of novel and acute challenges from managing the supply chain for personal protective equipment to adjusting workforce capacity to coping with financial loss. In managing COVID-19, extensive communication, collaborations, and innovation have been much spoken, debated. But it is only leadership and their strategies distinguished the nations and healthcare organizations in terms of factor, growth of cases, and treating patients. South Korea is internationally lauded for the response against COVID-19 when South Korea achieved control over their outbreak without imposing a nationwide lockdown. Wherever the control over pandemic happened, it is well attributed to a combination of strong leadership and coordinated and intersectoral response. India is no exception to it, despite the fact that the size of population is not in our favor. Having understood the significance of leadership and strategies in combating pandemic like this, Sri Ramachandra Faculty of Management Sciences, Constituent College of Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, deemed to be university, is hosting this summit, inviting many practicing leaders who have already experimented their leadership and implemented their strategies at micro and macro level, who are very much with us today to discuss and to deliberate the experimented strategies and contemplate the future course of actions to combat the ongoing pandemic and any other crisis which is predictable. It is our pleasure to welcome on behalf of the Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, and Dean of Faculties, Dr. Mukesh Kapila, former Director, World Health Organizations, currently the Professor of Global Health, University of Manchester, United Kingdom. We know that it's the early morning in Geneva with all the difficulties. When you said you are committed, we all have become excited, sir, for having right person for this event. Dr. Jebamali Arachi, a senior economist, a former principal advisor to the Director General UNIDO, Vienna. I know you are very sincere, committed, sir, and have repeated call to me to make sure that your speech is set exclusively for this summit. Dr. Narottam Puri, Advisor, Medical Operations, Fortis Medical Council, Emeritus Consultant, Advisor, FICCI, Indian Medical Council. Sir, we know your busy schedule and as well as your health conditions, and that all make sure that to mark your commitment to this summit. And your demonstrated leadership is an exemplary for all the youth who are getting into healthcare profession. We welcome you, sir. Our captain, Dr. P.V. Vijayaraghavan, Vice Chancellor, during the crisis time that he ran and is running the operations, we become kind of model to many other universities thanks to his administrative capabilities and leadership skills. We welcome you, sir. Dr. Mahesh Kamudi, our Dean of Faculties and Chief Operating Officer, SRMC, a silent performer We are very happy to have you, sir. There is a thematic session followed by the inaugural session. I'm pleased to welcome Dr. Suman C. Raman, Domain Healthcare TCS, Mr. S. Sanjeev, Managing Director, CEO, Medif Technologies, Bangalore, Mr. Raj Gore, Chief Executive Officer, Southern Region, Apollo Hospitals, Mr. Gautam Khanna, CEO, Hinduja Hospital, MRC, Mumbai. In fact, we would like to dedicate this summit to the doctors and healthcare workers who sacrificed their lives saving patients during this ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you so much.